Hi, everybody. I've got your directions here for the Chapter 16 Study Guide, Part 2. And by the time you start this, hopefully you've already watched the New Deal Crash Course Edpuzzle video and answered the questions and submitted that. So the next step is to open up the study guide. And you'll open it in a new window. And we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so Chapter 16 is also linked here. It's also linked in the module. Get that out of the way. What you're going to do here is with these headings, you're going to write down the main ideas from section 2 of chapter 16. But you're going to take this heading and you're going to turn it into a question first. So for example, the limitations of the New Deal, you might change that to what were the limitations of the New Deal? Political critics. Maybe you might change that to who were the political critics, or what did the political critics think? And other critics, you can do that one on your own. Then you'll write down the notes for each subheading. You've got a chart here, and this might seem a little confusing, so I'm going to kind of guide you through this. You'll find this in section 3. As you read the list of works of list the works of art, literature, or music in the appropriate column. So the columns you have are economics, culture, citizenship, and society. So I'm going to just jump over here to chapter 16, and we're talking about page 556, and you'll see the New Deal's effects on culture. So here's literature, and you're going to look at some of these works of art. Works of art would be the books, The Good Earth, a saga of a peasant struggle in China. In 1937, folklorist Zora Neale Hurston published Their Eyes Were Watching God, a novel about a strong-willed African-American woman in the Florida town in which she lives. But you're going to go through those works of art, and there's others down here, radio and movies. You've got The Grapes of Wrath over here, and you've got more down in here. So when you go back to the assignment, which one of those books would fit in here? Now, economics means money. Culture means the way people live their lives. Citizenship is where they're from, like we just saw something from China. And then society, meaning maybe celebrity, maybe how people are living amongst each other. And you would put those works of art in there. Okay. Then you're going to describe how characteristics and issues of the New Deal are reflected in these works. You've got some questions here about comprehension. Then you've got your grading scale down here, and I'm going to make this worth 35 points. So obviously, if you do everything and get it all accurate, you'd get a 4. Let's say you missed about 5. We'll jump down here to 30. That's going to bring you down to a 3.18. All right, and as always, this will be due on Sunday night at midnight. However, I'm going to be giving you enough time in class. Hopefully you'll finish it then so you will not have homework. And that's the end of these instructions. See you in class. Bye.